Let's go for it. I think adding those green peppers on the end, or green onion is. Oh,
I don't think it'll get cooked. I'll get a different piece. Thin. Huh?
Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
And if this is the first time on our channel, welcome. Today, we're making a thin crust pizza. It's actually a 12th Avenue Cuisine original, and we call it Honey, I Feel Like Breakfast for Dinner. So take it away, Lori.
Well, we're just using ingredients that we had in the refrigerator. But this is a new dough from Chef Parisi that I found on Facebook. And so this is his recipe. We'll see how it goes. It's a same day crust and has a lot of yeast in it. And you're supposed to stretch it out all the way to the end to make it as thin as possible. So there's no rim like you would in a Neapolitan. So we'll see how that turns out.
This dough ball was a little bit bigger than what we normally work with, right?
Yeah. So hopefully, and it only proofs for like 45 minutes. It does require 10 minutes of kneading, or in a machine, or 15 minutes by hand.
And we'll put some boards up here with kind of the recipe for the dough and how long you have to knead it for, and it was done in a mixer and those type of things, so you should find it over here. So we're pretty lucky tonight. We've been dodging a lot of rain here in Northern California, so it's kind of nice to have a clear night to get outside. And
well, you're working on your other channel, right?
Yep. Well, clear skies now means I get to do some astrophotography, so that's a plus. So over on this side, we've got the pizza maker going on. Over on that side later, once it gets dark, we'll have the astrophotography, deep sky object imaging activity going on. So
this is, we made this using a Caputo red. So. And
that's important because, as you know, between the Caputo Red and the Caputo Blue Pizzeria, the Caputo Blue Pizzeria is made for the higher heat ovens. So therefore, right before Lori started to press out the pizza, right before we did the intro, I turned the oven down to low. It had been on high for about 25 minutes.
Well, we'll see how this works.
We're
kind of experimenting. So I guess we're using some potatoes and peppers and bacon.
And I did see a question earlier today on the Ooni community. Somebody was asking about, hey, do you use your peppers raw, or do you roast them first to get some of the moisture out? And we've been having pretty good luck just kind of cubing them up and using them raw. Mm-hmm. So that's working out pretty good for us.
Now this potato, whenever I bake a potato, I always bake a few extra, and we can fry them up for breakfast or something like that.
And I'm going to move this out of the way because I don't think you need it anymore.
No.
So I'll move it over here. And let's see if I can put the top on without spilling it. We'll leave that alone for right now.
So I plan to top it with, and I kind of pre-cooked the bacon just a little, not fully crisped.
But you do use the Costco bacon.
Yeah.
For those of you that have Costco's in your area, it's the Costco bacon, and it's kind of pre-rendered or something, right?
Yeah, pre-cooked a little bit. Just a little, so it allows you to reduce the cooking time, and there's a lot less fat. Okay, and then, it says I was going to put the cheese on with my... Am I putting on the ingredients? Well,
You're doing well. It's and we've made a couple of other pizzas using the cheddar. I believe we made our
our
rendition of a Philly cheesesteak pizza.
Uh-huh.
And then I thought we did something else, but I
Oh,
can't.
we did a vegetarian.
Oh, we did a
thing.
vegetarian.
Yeah. And again, Bill just grated up all this cheese, so good job, dear.
Oh yeah, she lets me do the easy stuff.
But he even
That's-
cleaned up the
Okay.
food processor. Okay, let's see. Uh-oh.
It's a new dough, so you never know what to expect.
Well,
I think we're going to expect a little being oblonged.
Yeah. Better give it a little shake. Oh,
Yeah.
look at that.
Yeah. Okay.
You can always reshape it. Okay.
Yeah, I think it'll work. Oh, we have a winner.
Oh, good.
It's
Oh, did
start-
you turn it down?
I did. I turned it down right before we did the intro. So again, that's because we're using the Caputo red. So now that we got the Caputo Pizzeria blue, we have to use up the red.
Yeah.
So. And for turning the pizza tonight, we're using the Ooni Koda. The Ooni Koda, no, we're using the Ooni 14-inch metal peel, and we're cooking the pizza in the Ooni Koda 16. Boy, we haven't done a video in a while, Lori. I'm
Getting rusty
yeah.
with your verbiage.
So it's seems to be cooking okay.
Yeah.
No burning, no flaming. That's always a good checkpoint.
Well, it's a little bit thicker dough. It might need a little bit extra. You want to use the...
Yeah, I think
Why
we'll
don't you
do
use
that.
the tongs. You never know when it's a new dough. But it's not like a Neapolitan, so it seems like it's pretty dense. I'm not sure.
Yeah, we'll find out how it tastes. It seems to be cooking okay.
Just as long as it's not undercooked. I really...
And if you've seen some of our other videos, you know I like to use this to turn the pizza because I get to look at it when it comes out, and I get to turn it 180 degrees because of the Ooni Koda 16 El Burner design. Works out pretty good. Actually, this is smelling pretty good too.
Oh, anything with bacon smells great.
Yeah, but I'm also smelling the pizza sauce. So it's it's cooking a bit, and
Well, for a thin crust, it's not that thin.
no, it's not.
But maybe I should have used, I guess you could have used a rolling pin.
So this is kind of what it's looking at right now. Maybe we'll turn it a little bit more.
Yeah. Oh,
What?
there's a big bubble coming
There
out.
is a bubble, but that's okay. We'll take care of it. So, and I've been noticing some of the people on the Ooni community that are like minus 20 degrees. Maybe that's even C. I don't know. With the snow and you're out there cooking.
Oh, it was
Man.
a beautiful day here in San Mateo.
I admire your commitment to making pizzas. I think we're getting close here, Lori.
I think
don't
so.
know. What do you think?
I don't know. It's not as thin as I thought it might be.
Okay, I think this is a good start. If you want to move your stuff and bring the, yeah, and that tong there.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to sit it down on here to cool. It looks good. Okay, what do you think? We cut this baby up?
Smells really good.
All right, let's see.
It is one of our bigger pizzas, though. It's bigger than the knife.
All right,
Okay.
let's Let's take a look at that. I don't know. I think that looks.
Perfect. I'm surprised how thin the crust is. Good.
So, a 12th Avenue Cuisine creation. Honey, I feel like breakfast for dinner pizza. So, actually, you know, you're going to say anything with bacon tastes good, of course, but I think this is really good. And these potatoes were kind of like right out of the refrigerator. They hadn't been cooked. Mm-hmm. And I think they cooked nicely on top of the pizza for the couple of minutes it was in.
And it really goes good with the cheddar.
Mm. And actually, the pizza sauce works with the cheddar too.
Mm-hmm. It's very good. Surprised.
Okay, so any last thoughts?
Oh.
What is there? Whose recipe is that again for the dough?
This is Chef Parisi. I found him on Facebook, and he's got some fantastic recipes. Not always pizza, mostly not pizza.
Okay, and as I said towards the beginning of this video, we'll have that information available to you. But other than that, you know the drill. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up. As always, we welcome new subscribers. And it's really your comments and questions that help drive the channel. We really appreciate it when you take time to comment and ask questions or share knowledge that makes us better pizza makers and pizziolas. So, anything else before we go?
No, thank you. Till next time.
Till
Bye.
next time. Bye.